is PolarPro, just create a variable ND filter for our cameras. Whoa, I think they heard me, guys. No, I'm kidding. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to see you again today, and I hope you feel really good. Today, let's talk about these filters from PolarPro and McKinnon. I'm so happy with that because variable ND filters are really useful for filming outside during the day. It's really sunny outside, so it's the perfect day to test them. So let's go outside, but before, a quick coffee. Okay guys, I'm arrived at destination and I think here is the perfect place to show you how it works, because there is some dark area under the trees and really bright one exposed directly to the sun, so it's the best place to show you how those filters work. Let's go! Quick stop to explain you what is exactly a variable ND filters for those of you who didn't know. So when you're filming with your camera, you need to have some specific settings if you want your footage to look cinematic and have some motion blur on your movement. That means you need to respect the 180 rules. So if you're filming in 4K 24p, you need to have your shutter speed double the frame rate, and that's mean at 50. And if you're shooting at 4K 30, you need to have your shutter speed at 60. And for this, during the day, you need some filters. And why I really love variable ND filter is that you have multiple filters in one. For example, this one, the 2 to 5 stops, 2 means ND4, 3 ND8, 4 ND16, and 5 ND32. And this is perfect for run and gun shooters like I am and like you are probably, and also for daytime it's really perfect. After that you have the ND6 to 9 stop, which is for specific condition like really bright day. For example, if you want to film directly to the sun, for the snow, for the desert, or for making long exposure during the day, it's perfect. So that's why I buy these two different variable ND filters from PolarPro and McKinnon. I already have the ND16PL and the ND1000PL, and I was hoping so much that PolarPro make variable ND filters, and now they make it, so I'm so happy with that. Quality is insane. Temperature representation is also great. You will see after I will make a comparison between my Oya and my Nizi, and you will see the difference. And this is not the only difference that I like. I like also the fact that the filter have a lock at the minimum and maximum. Other filter have that too, but for example my Nizi one, he have a lock at the minimum and maximum, but you have that little things who help you to turn the filters, and with this you can't cover it and put it in your bag. And that's another thing that I like on the PolarPro ones. It's the fact that they comes with that slim defender cover, so you just need to put this on your lens and boom, you put your camera into your backpack and ready to go. When you arrived in a destination you want to film, you just need to remove this, so it's really perfect. Another point to mention is that those filters are not cheap. They are expensive, they cost a little bit of money, but honestly guys, when you buy a lens like 1,000 euro or 2,000 euro, why you want to put a cheap filter on it? It makes no sense for me. So when you make money back to buy a great lens, do the same for filters. So now let's compare the Oya, the Nizi and the PolarPro. Let's go! So let's start with the PolarPro filters, and for all those shots I have my settings in 4K 24p, my shutter speed at 50, ISO 100 and aperture at 2.8. As you can see here, it's really overexposed, so I need to turn the filter. and here I'm at the maximum, and my exposure is actually at plus 0.3, but it looked good. As you can see, if you want to film in really bright condition, you need the 6 to 9 stop, but for now it's okay. Let's see the Oya. Same here, I'm at 0, and now let's turn it. And now I got my exposure at plus 0.3 like on the PolarPro one, and you can see that it have more vignetting on the corner, but the color representation looks great too, and you can also show that the colors are more warm, but it's great. Now let's see with the Nizi. So now I'm with the Nizi, so let's turn it, and here I'm at maximum. I got my exposure at plus 0.3 like on the PolarPro one, but you can clearly see that the temperature is really cold on this one. You can fix that in post, but it's more work to do in post too. Other than that, the quality is good too. I don't know about the vignetting because I need to compare with the PolarPro and the Oya one too. I will see that when editing, but except the temperature, it looked good. Okay guys, I'm done with the comparison of those filters, but now I just want to show you what you can do with the variable ND 6 to 9 stop during the day in terms of photography, because actually it's not too bright, so I don't need to use it for videos, but I want to show you what kind of shots you can do, like long exposure shots and also time lapse. Let's go. Okay guys, this is the end of the review. I hope you like it. Another thing I forgot to mention is that how easy it is to remove or put on your filters with this defender on it, because you just need to screw on or off. It's so easy, and you can't damage your filter with this. It's also useful for when you're just walking around. You put this on your filter, and in case you fall down or something like that, your lens and your filter is always protected with this, because trust me, it's really hard and really good. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell to receive a notification for my next video, and I see you on the next one. Oh wait. I just came back home and I realized that I forgot to mention the package of this product, how crazy it is, how beautiful it is. PolarPro, your package are always great, and for me, a company who put tons of money to make nice package like this and to make our gear nicely protected too, it's proof of good product. Maybe not for you, but for me, yes. Because if you see the other filter that I have, the Nizi or the Oya one, they just come in a small box where there is only the filter and that's it, nothing else. So thank you PolarPro for all of this. I really love these filters. Leave me a comment below guys to tell me what you think about it. If you have it, if you plan to buy it. Thank you again, subscribe, and see you next week. Ciao.